Hi and welcome to the Bad Back Gardener. My name's Kevin and I am the Bad Back Gardener. Today is Thanksgiving Day, so we're having the Great Thanksgiving Potato Dig, we'll call it. I've been digging potatoes all day. It's kind of a warmer day for the area here. It's in the 50s, so it's pretty nice out today. Kind of gloomy though, but it is warm, so I thought I'd take the advantage. I needed to dig my potatoes out of the garden, so we had a potato dig from the garden, and so that's what we did today. So I'll show you what we ended up with and how much we got for that. So I had planted like 3 different kinds of potatoes. There's some red ones here, then in here there's I'm not sure what the brand kinds are. It's kind of a white potato with a few red ones in there. That's a weird looking one there. There's a few red ones in the bottom, but it's mostly white potatoes in there. And then this is a different kind of white potatoes, about half full of that. And then we got another tray of the white ones there. And then I also, just to be goofy, I had a sweet potato that I had from the store that started getting sprouting a little bit and going bad, so I stuck it in the dirt, and then so I had one plant for sweet potatoes, so I got a couple sweet potatoes I can use, but that's all going to be used here on Thanksgiving Day. So yes, we had the Great Potato Dig and ended up, all told, I'm guessing probably around 100 pounds of potatoes, plus I've already dug up probably a good 10 pounds of potatoes and used them, if not more, maybe 20 pounds, and used them previously throughout the fall here. So this is just what was left. I needed to dig them up before it started getting too cold. We've had some freezing cold temperatures and stuff, but they were in the ground, so they weren't hurt too much, but or hurt at all really. But pretty soon here we could see some real deep freezes, so I wanted to get them out of the garden here. Well, I could, so I needed them for Thanksgiving dinner, so we just dug them all up. So that was our Great Potato Dig here. Not much else going on in the gardens. It's been a pretty slow month here, not a whole lot going on. The weather hasn't been great to get out and do too much, and I've been kind of busy doing some other things, and so there's not a whole lot of gardening going on, but this was our Thanksgiving Day Potato Dig. Thanks for watching. Catch up with me on Facebook. You can also email me at bbgardener@zoominternet.net. And as always, if your back ain't hurting, you ain't working.